You know how to get it up, Isaac?
Yeah.
You slide this lever. Slide it right here. Look. Slide this. Whoop. See? Watch it. Watch the lever. Goes up and down. Now you can drive your train. You gotta wait till Kalis is done with that part. Come over here and drive it up this hill. Good. Yes, up the hill. Good job.
That's my train. See, that's my train.
Izzy, let Kalis have his own train. You use yours. Ooh, little boys. Go get it for him. Give that one to Kalis. Good boy, Isaac. You're a silly boy.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo, Izzy. Choo-choo, Les. Is it a... Yeah? Oh, Isaac, you're getting a little too speedy.
Hey!
Uh-oh. Break Kalis' train. Kalis, it's on the floor, buddy. It's on the... Yep, you got it. One more on the floor. Do you see it under the table? By your foot. Do you see it? You got it.
That's not a train.
Oh, no, is it a car? There's the train. You got it. What you doing, Isaac?
Oh!
That's your big blue ball. Woohoo! Big ball, Ivy. Isaac, do you want to... You gonna cook something for us?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you're gonna cook on the trampoline. That's interesting. Good. Good cooking. Choo-choo. Choo-choo, Kalis. Choo-choo.
I need gas.
You need gas? You better get some.
Choo-choo.
Here, Isaac. Here's a choo-choo for you. Choo-choo for Isaac.
Yep.
Yep.
Why you put this gas in the train?
You know, that's a good question. I don't know.
Did you put it underneath?
Maybe.
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 Mm.
Maybe, Isaac.
No.